to my mind, is not just one meeting, and that's what we need to understand in our own planning. That it's not just about one meeting that sales is all about. Sales is a process, and the first meeting is the first step. You will have to have multiple calls and meetings with the client, and that's what we need to understand. And therefore, it's very easy to fix up a follow-up meeting, because don't come under stress that you are doing a follow-up just to make a sale. You are doing a follow-up to continue this relationship that you started a week ago, or 10 days back, or yesterday. So the follow-up is not just about pushing your product. Follow-up is about building that relationship further. What I personally used to do whenever I used to go on a sales call, I used to have multiple, discussions around multiple topics. And then I had a chance to follow up with the client on not just my product or my sales, but something that I picked up as a common, liking or conversation. For example, it's very, you are talking about, say, a recent movie which has got launched. Maybe it's a good idea to say that, pick up the phone and say that, this Saturday, this weekend, I had 2 tickets and I'm not planning to go for that movie. Would you be interested in going for that? That's also follow up with the client. And then obviously, as I said in the beginning also, that everybody wants to do business with a friend. While doing the follow-up, if you're building a relationship with the client, if you're building a partnership with the client, follow-up becomes easy. Follow-up doesn't mean that you have to follow up for a sale. Follow-up can be for building a relationship, for strengthening the relationship. Like, there is one principle which is very, very common, in the principle of reciprocity for building relationships. I do something for you, you will come under pressure to do something for me. Like, typically what happens when you have friends and you get, invited for a dinner to a friend's place, while you're saying good night and goodbye, what do you say? You say that, okay, next dinner is at my place, and then you fix up a meeting and all of that. That's also a follow-up. So you try to build and strengthen that relationship and partnership. So to my mind, follow-up is not something which is related just to sales. It's also related to the entire process, entire journey that you have started with the customer. So don't come under stress. And I have said this earlier, and I'll say this again, that how easy it is to have a follow-up meeting. And I keep saying this, is that whenever you, have an appointment, never leave that appointment without the another appointment. So that anyways makes your life easier. But overall, just don't follow up with the client on a sales topic or for the product that you're pitching, but it could be for the overall relationship that you want with the client. It could be about a common theme that you have picked up in the conversation, and you want to update him back, you want to invite him over, you want to take this relationship forward on that particular common interest that you have developed. And to my mind, this makes the life of a salesperson very, very easy.